Hi, Michael Phipps here. I'm known as the Condo King of our local market area. And I get asked a lot of questions from my seller clients. And one of the questions is what kind of items come up in the home inspection report? Usually a big one is the caulking and the grout in the tub surround area. Now, if your caulk is pink, black, gray, cracked, or peeling, you need to hire a contractor to come in and scrape out the old caulk and put in new. The other thing you need to look at is you need to look at the grout in between the tiles. If the grout in between the tiles is missing, or you can tap on the tiles and they sound hollow, then you need to have that contractor take a look at the rest of your problem here and have him repair that while he's in there. So these are the two smallest overlooked items, but boy, it can sure make a big difference in how your bathrooms show and shine or not shine when the property is being shown. So pay a lot of attention to this because this can make or break a bathroom. Well, that's all the time I have for these tips and suggestions for today. Give me a call and I'll be more than glad to stop over and take a look at your property to see if I can make your property shine too. And remember, nobody knows the condo biz like Michael.